It's live.
Why taking video?
Daddy, this is ano to? Mosquito finals. Diyos ko. Na! Ay! Ano ang ingay ko?
My basketball training is so long.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so cold here.
Akin na, paano ko kay Liam? Kabit mo dun.
Hindi ko nga makikabit. Yun ang problema ko. Inaayos ko. Ayun.
Why are you making a video?
Patay ka kay Blake.
No.
Daddy, buka mo nga to. Para maisipit ko. No. Ibuka mo.
Yeah, wait. Oh, bubuk ako.
Ayaw. Ayaw ba? Nahilo na yung nanonood. My gosh.
Try mo muna, i-set mo muna. You're losing everything.
I'm checking it a little bit down.
Alonso, go! Oh my gosh, she's... Nice! Oh, na...
Remember, I just did one steal from Jeff
Oh yeah, do it again, okay?
because I was like, he loses balance.
Nice, Mano!
Yeah, Manu! Oh, good. 9 minutes. I'm gonna go get Franco. Okay.
Walang dumadrive.
Franco.
Yellow, what's up? Alonso, naghahabol ka, nagpapahinga ka na. Hand off! Nice, Z!
Laki na sabi nito.
Nino.
Laki na yung order. 5 taon.
Alonso, defense! Alonso, go! Doon ka muna tumingin sa harap. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Foul.
Ronnie. Hi Joshua, hit it!
This team is good.
No, they won't win. The yellow. Because they're not doing defense. Ayun, nag-defense na. Halfway
We're fighting over the ball, I think. Now.
Come on. Go get Blake. Yeah, Blake na snake. Wait. I call him.
Oo nga, pero...
Blake! Blake! Go. Go, Kian! Yeah, go.
Sorry. Thank you.
Iipit eh.
Yeah.
Kasi yung...
Ito gagawin, di ba?
Robert. Joshua. Come on, Robert.
6'10", blue. Yun.
Cobra. Go, let's go. Run, Robert.
Panalo dito. Kami. Ay! They're so unlucky. Uy! Nice, Clay!
Halfway, Kian. Kian, halfway.
Nice, Z! Nice, Clay!
Go get Manu. Yeah, after this.
Nice, Mano!
Manu.
Come on, Yellow! Halfway!
Kian, defense. Robert.
Alonso, ano gagawa mo dun?
What's his name? Vito. Yeah.
Nice, Clay!
Yeah.
Come on, Mintin!
Half full screen.
Ay, Armin pala to. Yellow! Nice, ref!
Off. Oh, ang galing ni si. Let's go! Run, Branco!
Hoy! Defense! Nice, Winter!
You good, Clay?
Okay ka lang, baby?
Ah, it's okay, Clay. It's okay.
It's alright. Good D, anak. Good D. Good D. Nice, Enrico!
Halfway, blue. Yeah, go after this and then go back. Yeah, go there. Meet him in the middle.
Hindi pala ako pwedeng taga-video na. Napapapanood ako. Oh, sayang. Enrico, up!
Go. Vito. Press Vito.
Nice, Z. Come on, Sid.
Go get blue. Stay in the middle. Di ba kalusot? To the hoop, Franco.
Franco, where are you going? Ayan.
Go, Manu. And one. Mano, baseline. Go, Branco. Go, Branco. Sit down. Go, defense. Run, defense.
Tayo pa ng cellphone mo.
Blake, call him. Drew. Pass it. Manu, get the ball, Manu. Kian, get the ball. Kian, defense.
Nice hit! Oh, sayang.
Go, Franco. 17 seconds, Franco. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hit it!
Ang score, half time, 8-12. Ang lamig naman dito, hirap.
Oh, you okay? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ano?
That's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Blake, halfway, Blake. We're shooting that side, Blake. Yeah, go for it. Spread out, Michael Blair. Go, Joshua.
Oh, my son.
Go.
Yeah, just go. There are only 4.
Just going. Defense, Joshua. Come on, stay on. Who's another player, Kitty?
Shot!
Halfway. Run, Logo.
What is happening?
Shoot. $5.
Where's Drew? Oh, Drew. It's Drew Benedict.
Who? Oh, yeah. Bravo! Where'd you go?
Kulang yung player niya, dalaway na wala eh.
Manu, keep going, Manu. That's it. Shoot it. Finish. Oh, Drew, go get Robert. Stand up.
Good day, Enrico.
Good, Robert. Now.
Alonso, you have to move, anak. Go!
Go, Joshua. Go, finish it. Shoot it.
Ay, sorry.
Robert.
Hindi naman na-shoot. 8-12 pa rin. Jordan!
Later, mag-defense.
Go! Alonso! Winter!
Franco, you're going next, Franco.
Oh my gosh.
Take that, Manu. Shot. Get open, Joshua. Oh. Hey, back on deep, Vito. Hey, mark a player, boys. Mark a player. Drew, you got Drew.
Alonso, dapat mag-abang ka na lang sa baba kaysa nagdababa ka niyan. Well, 10.
You gotta do defense. Come on. Manu, screen. Ah. Bravo. I want you to do defense, okay? Defense on top.
Nice! Oh my gosh. Alonso, go sa ilalim para mapasahan ka. Alonso, down. Oh my gosh.
Just 2 points.
2 points. Alonso, why do you keep on shooting 3?
Blake. Yeah, you're next. Sit down.
Run, run, run! Alonso, 2 points lang, anak.
Go, Manu!
Go, Alonso, run! Oh my gosh, he's sweet.
Like a player! Come on, go! Manu, other side, Manu! Shoot it through! Shoot it!
Shot!
Arman! 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 Arman!
Armin!
Manu, keep going, come on! We need to score! Go! Yeah! Good job, Manu! Hey, on defense now. Break. Vito. Break, go. Come on. 1 minute press.
Alonso, what are you going to do? Score or pass? Yeah.
Defense. Go, Blake, go for it! Robert, go get through. Go, middle.
And sack!
Through!
See, watch out, son!
Through! Manu!
Defense! And
2 minutes, you're going back in. Okay. 2 minutes, you're going back in. Ayen, 2 minutes, stop clock. Thumbs up.
Defense!
Manu, you're going back in, okay? Go back in. Nice, bravo! Good! Hey, defense now. Halfway. Didi, go! Take your time, Vito. Look who's open, Vito. Robert, go. Oh, Vito. Halfway.
Alonso, may...
Vito,
Boys, that's only 4 points. Yeah, go! Ay! Bitin. Defense,
Good
defense.
job, man. Good job. Good job. Joshua. Joshua.
Hoy, red yellow! Nice! Oh, boys, 2 points.
Anu. Defense, defense, defense.
Oh, nasa yellow ball, oh. Shot! Ay! Alasara! No, Alasara, nag-aabol kayo. 4 points! My gosh!
Run back, run back. Come on, let's go, Robert. Keep going, Robert. Keep on. Go, 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 go.
Blue team.
Shoot it, Bravo. Make that.
No one forget me. Ito na gonna win.
Good.
Blue team.
Nice. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, Kiki. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. All right, we won the game. That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Blue team.
Check it, check it, check it, check it. May.